Hello everyone, welcome to our Saraswati Academy. As all of you know that in our previous video we have completed exercise 1.3. Now today we are going to start 1.4. But if you see your textbook, in your textbook before this exercise, before the exercise of 1.4, before this exercise there is one theorem that is of theorem of areas of similar triangles. So this 1.4 exercise is based on the same theorem, okay, that is the theorem of areas of similar triangles. On that theorem this exercise 1.4 is totally dependent, okay. So today we'll see this exercise 1.4. As you can see that I have written 3 examples on the board, so we'll solve one by one. First of all we'll go towards the first example. As you can see here that I have written, that is the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. So what is given? The ratio is given. Ratio of what? Ratio of corresponding sides. Sides चा ratio दिलेला आहे 3:5 and we have to find the ratio of their areas. आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे? Corresponding, that is the ratio of their areas. Areas चा ratio आपल्याला काढायचा आहे आणि side चा ratio आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. Okay, so we'll now move towards the solution. Okay, now here we'll consider, that is let the corresponding sides, of similar triangles B. So those corresponding sides we will mention as S1 and S2. Okay, what we'll do? We'll mention as S1 and S2. So corresponding sides of similar triangles B, S1 and S2. Okay, and their respective areas B, A1 and A2, respective areas B, A1 and A2. Okay, now what is given to us? That is the corresponding sides, ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, therefore S1 is to S2 is equal to 3:5. Okay, now all of you know that it is given in the question that the triangles are similar. Okay, so we'll write here, that is the triangles are similar. So therefore now as the triangles are similar, so we can write as A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Okay, and we'll write the reason in the bracket, that is by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, so by using this ratio, by using this theorem, we can write the ratio. Now what we'll do, we'll substitute the values. आता आपण values टाकायच्या आहेत. S1 ची value आहे 3. So 3 square upon 5 square. Okay, so we'll do the square now. 3 square, that is the 9, and 5 square, that is 25. Okay, so at the end you will get the ratio, that is therefore A1 is to A2 is equal to 9:25. Okay, and at the end we can write the answer. They have told find the ratio of their area, so at the end we can write the ratio, or we can write the answer, that is the ratio of similar triangles is 9:25 In this way we can write the answer at the end. Okay, so in this way we can solve this example. Now in this example no diagram is given in this sum, so we have to just consider as S1 S2 as their sides and their area as A1 and A2, and by using the theorem of areas of similar triangles we have to use the formula. We have to substitute the values, square it, and at the end we will get the ratio of areas. Okay, now we'll see the second example, second and the third example, which is the activity based. So we have to just fill up the box. So what is given here now? In triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, okay, what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the ratio of corresponding sides is given, that is AB is to PQ. Corresponding sides चा ratio दिलेला आहे, AB is to PQ is equal to 2 is to 3, and they have told us that is filling the blanks. Okay, now what is given here? That is area of triangle ABC upon PQR equal to AB square upon. Now when you will fill this box, you have to see the name of the triangles. जेव्हा आपण बॉक्स मध्ये ही साइड जेव्हा फिल करू तेव्हा आपण ह्या रेशो कडे जायचंय जो एरियाजचा रेशो दिलाय तिकडे. सो हियर वी कॅन सी दॅट ए बी म्हणजे काय, फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड अल्फाबेट. ए आणि बी घेतलाय म्हणजे PQR चं पण काय येणार, फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड अल्फाबेट म्हणजे काय येईल, PQ. ओके, सो विल राइट हियर ॲज PQ square. Okay, now the values are given to us. AB square, or the value of AB is 2 and value of PQ is 3. So 2 square upon 3 square. So that is equal to 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. In this way we have completed this activity. Okay, it's very simple. Now the third one. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so what is given that the two triangles ABC and PQR हे दोन्ही काय, दोन्ही triangles similar आहेत. ओके, आणि area of triangle ABC दिलेला आहे, that is 80. Area of triangle PQR is given to you, that is 125, and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, now instead of directly म्हणजे डायरेक्ट तुम्ही इथे आन्सर लिहिण्यापेक्षा वी हॅव टू सॉल्व, बिकॉज यू कीप इन माइंड whenever there is a activity based question you have to solve the example completely and then give the box wherever necessary. Okay, so we'll go through this sum now, this example. So what is given here, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, see now AB upon PQ, what we have to find, AB upon PQ, आणि म्हणून आपण इथे काय लिहिणार आहे, AB square upon PQ square. ओके, आता ABC आणि PQR measurement is given to us, what it is, 80 upon 125 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Okay, now what we can do, we can divide 80 आणि 125 ला आपण 5 ने डिव्हिजन देऊया. 5 ने डिव्हिजन दिल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय येणार आहे, 5 1 जा 5 and 5 6 जा 30, आणि इकडे पण काय येणार आहे, 5 2 जा 10 and 5 5 जा 25. ओके, म्हणजे आता इथे आपल्याला what we have got, that is AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 25. Now we have to remove the square from here and we have to do the square root. नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, इकडचा जर आपण स्क्वेअर काढला तर तिकडे आपण काय करायचं आहे, स्क्वेअर रूट करायचं आहे. ओके, सो देअरफॉर AB अपॉन PQ इक्वल टू, आता आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे 16चा स्क्वेअर रूट काय आहे, व्हॉट इज द स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 16, दॅट इज 4, आणि 25चा स्क्वेअर रूट काय आहे, 5 आहे. So we have got the answer, that is AB upon PQ equal to 4 upon 5, and we'll fill the box here, that is 4 upon 5. Okay, so you can see here that even though it is given just to fill up the box, but we have to solve all this everything and then only we can fill the box. So instead of solving it in the rough work, you have to solve this in your answer sheet and then you write the answer, then you fill up the box. Now we'll move towards the next examples. Now we'll solve the fourth sum. See now what is given in the fourth sum, that is triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and what is again given, that is 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Then QR is given, that is QR equal to 20, and we have to find MN. Okay. So we will now go towards the solution. We will see that is how to solve this problem. Okay. See now what is given here. First of all, QR is equal to 20. Okay. And second thing, what is given, that is 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay. So what this is given. This is given already. Here also QR equal to 20. It is given. Okay. Now what we have to do? It is given, that is 9 into area of triangle PQR equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. We have to arrange this ratio properly. What we have to do? काय करायचे आपल्याला अरेंज करायचं आहे. कसं अरेंज करायचं आहे? आपण एरियाजचा रेशो घ्यायचा आहे, म्हणजे PQR अपॉन LMN. ओके. सो व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू हियर? देअरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to 16 upon 9. Okay, so there will be a cross multiplication pattern. इथे जो LMN आहे तो इकडे येणार PQRच्या डिनोमिनेटरला, आणि 9 जो आहे तो इकडच्या डिनोमिनेटरला येणार आहे, दॅट इज द 16 upon 9. Okay, so in this way there will be a cross multiplication pattern. Now as all of you know, by the theorem, as both the triangles are similar, okay, so we will write here that is triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this is what, this is given already. Okay, therefore by the theorem on equal ratios, what we will get? That is area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to what is given to us, that is the QR. So we will write here QR upon MN. QR square upon MN square. We will write the reason, that is by the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, by this theorem we can write as PQR upon LMN is equal to QR square upon MN square. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute the values. As all of you know, PQR upon LMN is what? 16 upon 9. So we will write here 16 upon 9 is equal to QR square upon MN square. Okay. Now I have told you, जसं आपण आधीच्या समला म्हणजे थर्ड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण केलंय की इकडे स्क्वेअर काढला की तिकडे स्क्वेअर रूट करायचा आहे. ओके, सेम वी हॅव टू फॉलो. हा स्क्वेअर काढायचा आणि इकडे काय करायचं आहे? स्क्वेअर रूट करायचं आहे. आणि स्क्वेअर रूट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे? व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट? सो वन मोर थिंग वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू सबस्टिट्यूट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ QR. दे हॅव गिवन ॲज अ 20. So we'll write here 20 square. Sorry, I forgot to write, to substitute the values. Okay, so 20 square. Now we'll remove the square and we'll make the square root here. Therefore it will be, that is square root of 16 upon 9 is equal to 20 upon MN. Okay, so after taking the square root we'll get 4 upon 3 is equal to 20 upon MN. Okay, so we will cross multiply now. Therefore we will write here, therefore MN is equal to 20 into 3 upon 4. Okay, 20 into 3 upon 4. We can divide 20 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we will get the value of MN, that is MN is equal to 5 3s are 15. So we got the value of MN, that is 15. In this way we can solve the example by using the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay. Now next example. See now next example what they have given. Same thing is there, that is the two triangles are given and both these triangles are similar and their areas are given. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 and 81 square centimeter. Then the side of the smaller triangle is 12 and we have to find the side of the bigger triangle. Okay. So we will write the solution. First of all we have to consider, because the diagram is not given to us, so we will consider let area and side of smaller triangle be A1 and S1. Okay, and similarly area of, I will write below, similarly area and side of bigger triangle be A2 and S2. Okay, so we'll write the ratio, therefore that is A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Okay, this is by what? By theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, we can use directly this theorem because already in the question they have given, that is the triangles are similar. Now see, for substituting the values, what is our A1? A1 is equal to, see now we will go towards the solution, what we have written in the solution. A1 is what? Smaller triangle. So if you see the measurement 225 आणि 81 यातला स्मॉलर कोणता आहे? 81. म्हणून आपला A1 काय असणार आहे? A1 will take as a 81. Okay, then S1 it is given, that is a 12 centimeter. Okay, and here also 81 square centimeter. Then A2 is equal to 225 square centimeter and we have to calculate S2. Okay, now we'll substitute the values in this formula. After substituting the values, we'll get, that is A1 is 81 upon 225 is equal to S1 is 12 square upon S2 square. Now as I told you, we have to remove the square and we have to take the square root here. So by taking the square root, that is 81 upon 225 is equal to 12 upon S2. Okay, स्क्वेअर रूट काढल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे? 81 चा स्क्वेअर रूट 9 आहे, 225 चा 15 आहे, is equal to 12 upon S2. Okay, so now we will calculate S2. Therefore S2 is equal to 12 into 15 upon 9. Okay, we have cross multiplied 12 into 15 upon 9. Now we can divide 9 and 12 by 3, or we can also divide 15 and 9. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, again 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So we got S2 equal to 4 5s are 20 centimeter. Okay, and at the end you can write the answer as the corresponding side of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. It's very compulsory that at the end you should write the answer in a complete sentence. Now we'll solve the last example. Now we'll solve example number 6. This is the second last sum. Now see what is given here, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Both the triangles are equilateral triangle and the areas of ratios of their areas are given as 1:2. AB is given as 4 and we have to find DE. Okay, AB is given as 4 and we have to find DE. Now see students, in this example, in this sum, they have not given that both the triangles are similar or ABC is similar to triangle DEF. असं आपल्याला क्वेश्चन मध्ये जे आहे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये असं आपल्याला काही दिलेलं नाहीये. सो इन दिस सम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दॅट बोथ दीज ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, आपल्याला सगळ्यात आधी प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे की हे जे दोन ट्रायंगल्स आहेत ABC आणि DEF हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर आहेत. ते सिमिलर प्रूव्ह केल्यानंतरच वी कॅन अप्लाय द थिअरम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, so now let's come on, now we will prove that the triangles are similar. Okay, solution. First of all, what is given in the question? That is triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. They are equilateral triangles. Okay, now as all of you know, equilateral triangles are there means what? It's all the sides are equal and it's all the angles are also of equal measurement. Okay, so we'll write here, therefore angle A is equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to angle E equal to angle F. Okay, why they are equal? Because these are the angles of equilateral triangle. So the measurement of each angle is 60 degree. So here we can write the reason, that is each angle measures 60 degree. Okay, and so we can say that all these angles are of equal measurement. Okay, now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in these two triangles, now as all of you know that angle A is congruent to angle D, then angle B is congruent to angle E. Okay, these are the, here we can number it as a number 1 and we can write the reason here, that is from 1. Okay, now so therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. By which test? By AA test of similarity, we can say that both these triangles are similar. Now we have proved that these triangles are similar. Now we can write the ratio. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. Okay, we will write the reason here, that is by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, now we write the, what we'll write now? We'll write the values now. Okay, so as it is given, area of triangle ABC and DEF, the ratio is given as 1:2. So we'll substitute the values, that is 1/2 is equal to AB is 4, so we can write 4 square upon DE square. Okay, now as I told you that we can here we can remove the square and we can do the square root here. Okay, so therefore square root of 1/2 is equal to 4/D. Okay, therefore 4/DE is equal to, as all of you know, square root of 1 is 1 upon root 2, because we can't find the square root of 2. Therefore what will be the value of DE then? DE is equal to 4 root 2. Cross multiply 4 into root 2. So in this way we can get the value of DE as 4 root 2. Now we'll solve last sum, 7th one of this exercise. So as you can see that the diagram is given, that is triangle DEF or triangle FD is given to you, and also one more triangle is there, that is the FPQ. So in this diagram, in this figure, you can see that PQ is parallel to DE. Okay. Then again one more thing is given, that is the area of triangle PQF. Area of triangle PQF is given as a 20 units square. Then PF is equal to twice of DP, and you have to find the area of this quadrilateral, which DPQE. You have to find the area of this quadrilateral. आता आपल्याला फिगर वरूनच कळतंय, आपल्याला हा पोर्शन काढायचा आहे. ओके. नाउ द बिगर ट्रायंगल इज, दॅट इज द FDE ट्रायंगल. ह्या मोठ्या ट्रायंगल मधून जर आपण हा पोर्शन मायनस केला, then we will get the area of the quadrilateral. So same thing we have to do, and area of triangle FPQ is given to you. So we have to, first of all, we have to find the area of triangle FDE. ह्या ट्रायंगलचा एरिया आपल्याला मिळाला म्हणजे आपल्याला we can minus it. Okay. So this question is an activity based question. So we will go through that activity. So you can see here it is given area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units square. PF is equal to DP. Now see, let us assume that DP equal to X. Okay. So what we have to assume, that DP is X. Now as DP is X, so they have given PF is equal to 2DP. So PF is equal to what it will be? 2X, because here already 2 is given. We have assumed DP as X. So it will be 2X. So I have written here PF is equal to 2X. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find the DF. Now you can see the diagram or in the figure DF. Okay. DF means what? DP plus PF. DF तुम्हाला कधी मिळणार, जेव्हा तुम्ही DP आणि PF ह्या दोघांचं ॲडिशन करणार. At that time you will get the DF. So we have to add DF is equal to DP plus PF. Okay. So we will fill the box DP plus PF. Okay. Now we will write the measurement. DP we have assumed as X. So in this box we will write as a measurement of DP, that is X. PF is what? PF is 2X. So X plus 2X, what we get? The value, that is the 3X. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to prove that both these triangles are similar. Which two triangle? The bigger one and the smaller one. That is the triangle FDE is similar to triangle FPQ. We have to prove this. Okay. So as it is given that DE is parallel to PQ. Okay. And so from this we can say that angle FDE is congruent to angle FPQ. FPQ. Why? Because those are the corresponding angles. As you can see, these two are the parallel lines. So these two are the corresponding angles. Similarly, angle FED means this angle, and angle FQP means this angle. Again, these two are the corresponding angles. So we will write here FQP. So in this way we can say that both these triangles are similar. So triangle FDE is similar to triangle FPQ by AA test. Okay. So we have proved now that both these triangles are similar. Now we write the ratio by the theorem on equal ratios. We can write the theorem, we can apply that theorem here now. Area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ. So we will write here, that is the FDE. We have the measurement, that is the 2X means PF it is. So we will write here PF. Okay. And here DF. Okay. So DF square upon PF square. DF, we have the measurement of DF as a 3X. So here 3X square upon 2X square, because we have the PF as 2X. Okay. So XX will get cancelled and 3 square is 9 and 2 square आहे 4. So we have got here 9 upon 4 into area of triangle FPQ. Now in the question we have the area. Area of triangle FPQ is given in the question, that is the 20. So we will write here as a 20. Okay. We will calculate. We can divide 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 9 5s are 45. Here it will be 45 units square. Okay, it is 45 units square. You just write properly. Okay, 45 units square. Now as I told you, when you will जेव्हा आपण मायनस करू कशातनं मोठ्या ट्रायंगल मधून छोट्या ट्रायंगलचा एरिया आपण मायनस करू, at that time we will get the area of the quadrilateral. So here both the triangles are given, bigger and the smaller. Area of FDE, that is area of bigger triangle, is 45, which we have calculated now only. FPQ is 20. So 45 minus 20, we will get the answer as 25 units square. So in this way we can calculate the area of quadrilateral DPQE, that is equal to 25 units square. Okay, now we have completed the exercise 1.4. We have finished this lesson completely. Now in my next video we are going to see the problem set of maths 1, problem set 1 of the first lesson, that is the linear equations in two variables. Of that lesson we will see the problem set. Thanks for watching.